we can configure our target audience according to their interests, which are collected using data from Facebook, Pixel, SDK, Facebook/Instagram profile interactions, or data provided by you, customer list. This data can be used for retargeting, creation of lookalike audiences, cross-selling, informing old customers about promotions, and as reminders for yourself. Let's go to the Ads Manager. Click on the three dashes on the left and select Audiences in the window that opens. In the Audiences section, we have the opportunity to manage all the audience groups in the BM. Click the Create Audience button to see a window with a list of options: audience of users, similar audience, audiences for special category ads, and saved audiences. Types of user audiences: site, actions in the application, catalog, list of clients, offline actions, video, lead generation form, instant experience, shopping, Instagram account, events, Facebook page, ads on Facebook. Audience of users. If we select this tab, the following window opens. Select site. First, the audience of users is the audience that visits your site. You can track this audience using Facebook Pixel if you have one. However, you can only see people who visited your site, not your competitors' sites. In the source field, we have the opportunity to select the desired pixel. The number of sites we have is the same number of pixels. The pixel should glow green. If it glows red, it is not working. The pixel tracks the audience that has visited the site and determines whether the visitor in question has Facebook or Instagram, and aggregates that audience. It is important to note that we do not launch advertising on the site without a pixel. Next, in the Events field, choose All Site Visitors. In the Retention field, choose the number of days to target the audience. You can set this period as 7 days, 20 days, or 30 days. This depends on the type of business, what it does, and how long it takes for a person to make a decision. The maximum is 180 days. For the next field, Audience Name, it is advisable to assign the audience with site visitors in 30 days, so as not to get confused later. From there, click Create Audience. You can overlay audience groups on top of each other using the Include People and Exclude People buttons. Here is another option for creating such an audience. Audience of users, choose a site, choose a pixel. In the Events field, choose people who visited certain web pages. In Retention, choose, for example, 30 days. Below in the field next to the URL field, select Yes. From the three proposed parameters, we can choose is and equals. In this case, the parameter does not contain, is not needed. In the next field to the URL, insert the desired word copied from the address bar. If we run an ad for Tissot watches on a certain site, this ad will open the desired tab related to the Tissot brand. In the address bar, we will see the URL from which we copy only Tissot. In the same way, we can add another word to this very field, such as a word from the address bar of the same site from a brand in the same price category. For audience name, select those who visited the pages of the Tissot brand in 30 days. For another option, in the withdrawals section, choose equals instead of is. Below, in the URL field, insert the URL copied from the site. Explanation: if we want to run an advertisement, for example, on the sale of watches, we open the sale page on the site and copy the full URL we need from the address bar. Name of the audience, write it down clearly. Create an audience.